The white balance selector tool is the eyedropper or pipette icon in the basic panel in Lightroom. It can also be switched on by pressing W on your keyboard. If we hover over an area of a photo with the selector tool, the navigator window displays a preview of the effect that selecting that area would have on white balance. Pressing T on your keyboard will turn on or off the white balance toolbar underneath your image. Ticking Show Loop will give you the Pick a Target Neutral window, magnifying the pixels you hover over. The center square will show the red, green, and blue values as percentages of themselves. You can change the size and how many pixels are available in this little window by moving the scale slider. The closer you can get all three RGB values to match each other across the board, the more accurate the white balance adjustment for your photo. This mimics using a gray card on location. Of course, you can use the tool creatively to give the color tone you wish. Watch the temp and tint sliders. Clicking on a yellow area will make the photo bluer, and vice versa. Clicking on a more magenta area will make the photo greener, and vice versa. With Auto Dismiss selected, the selector tool will return to its placeholder in the basic panel after use. I hope this helped you. Thank you for watching.